Do you have an error with the Spark Windows App Implementation DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get Cisco Systems working again. As we prepare to fix Spark Windows App implementation manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This is the Spark Windows App implementation, the implementation library used by Cisco Webex desktop clients, formerly Spark, supporting UI rendering layers and background service threads. It underpins key runtime components of the application. If corrupted or missing after updates, the client may refuse to start and display errors like a required component is missing. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. MS-095 belongs to Microsoft Office 95 Legacy Support Bundle. Performing a full reinstall of the latest version of Microsoft Office 95 Legacy Support will restore this file and related components. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Spark Windows App implementation file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. The versions of MS-095 DLL found on generic download sites are often compiled for legacy hardware, which can lead to excessive CPU cycles or kernel-level crashes on modern systems. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. The link below references a primary diagnostic resource for reviewing Spark Windows App, implementation and system configuration. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Spark Windows App implementation was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.